Welcome to our tutorial on building an interactive map using React and Leaflet. In today's digital landscape, interactive maps have become essential tools in applications ranging from navigation to data visualization. By harnessing the power of React, a leading JavaScript library for crafting user interfaces, in conjunction with Leaflet, a renowned open source library for interactive maps, we can create dynamic and engaging mapping solutions. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, real-world applications, challenges, and relevance of developing interactive maps with these technologies. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance your skills or a business seeking to understand the benefits of interactive mapping, this session will provide you with valuable insights and practical knowledge. Let's dive into the theory behind building interactive maps with React and Leaflet. React is celebrated for its component-based architecture, which allows developers to build reusable UI components. This modularity is particularly advantageous in mapping applications, where components such as map containers, markers, and pop-ups can be easily assembled and managed. By integrating Leaflet, a lightweight library that offers a range of tools for creating interactive maps, we can incorporate elements like tile layers, markers, pop-ups, and overlays seamlessly into our React applications. One of the standout features of interactive maps is real-time geolocation. By leveraging the browser's geolocation APIs, developers can access the user's real-time location data, a crucial feature for applications requiring user-specific data, such as navigation apps or location-based services. Additionally, customizable markers play a pivotal role in enhancing map interactivity. These markers allow developers to display pertinent information at specific locations, with Leaflet supporting custom icons, pop-ups, and event handling to provide tailored user experiences. Now, let's look at a practical code example to solidify our understanding. We have a React application that integrates Leaflet to create an interactive map. In our project, the file app.js is where most of our map logic resides. We import essential modules from React and React Leaflet, including map container, tile layer, marker, and pop-up. We also define a custom icon for our markers. The app component initializes with a default position and an array for storing markers. Using the browser's geolocation feature, we set the initial position to the user's current location. The add marker function allows users to add new markers by clicking on the map. The map container component renders the map centered on the user's location with the tile layer using OpenStreetMap tiles. Each marker is rendered using the marker component, which is customizable, displaying a pop-up with the marker's coordinates. Let's walk through a demonstration of our interactive map application. Upon launching the app, the map initializes with a view centered on your current location, marked by a custom icon. As you interact with the map, clicking on the map will add new markers at the clicked location. Each marker displays a pop-up with its coordinates when clicked, allowing for an engaging and informative user experience. The application seamlessly updates your location, ensuring you always have a real-time view of your surroundings. The map is responsive, handling various interactions smoothly, from zooming in and out to panning across different regions. This interactivity showcases the power of combining React and Leaflet to deliver a robust mapping solution. In conclusion, building interactive maps with React and Leaflet offers developers a powerful toolkit for creating dynamic, user-centric applications. We've explored the integration of real-time geolocation and customizable markers, essential features for modern mapping solutions. Whether you're developing navigation systems, real estate platforms, or logistics applications, the skills and techniques covered in this tutorial will empower you to craft impactful user experiences. Remember that while challenges such as performance optimization and data privacy exist, they also offer opportunities for innovation. We encourage you to explore these technologies further and apply them to your projects. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and we hope it has equipped you with practical knowledge and inspiration to harness the potential of interactive maps.